What's up guys, Sal here. So a few days ago we got almost a complete spec sheet of the Galaxy S22 which revealed its battery capacities, storage options and all of that stuff. Today we're hearing about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which shows it might not be all that different from the S21 Ultra. Plus we have some live demos of a couple of key camera features of the S22. First up, according to Galaxy Club, who are very reputable, the S22 Ultra will once again come with two telephoto cameras. One will be a 10 megapixel 10x optical periscope zoom camera, while the other is a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. So same as the predecessor. They clarify that Samsung will stick to a 108 megapixel main camera backed by a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. Basically, the whole camera hardware is going to be identical to the S21 Ultra. Now, whether or not the phone will come with the continuous zoom camera, aka variable zoom camera, is questionable, because Galaxy Club mentions that they didn't get any information about the continuous zoom camera on the S22 Ultra. But that doesn't automatically mean it won't feature it, because as the saying goes, the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. So I guess we'll have to wait and see. But Oppo has already showcased the continuous zoom at their event held a few days ago. Although they didn't reveal it in a finalized handset, they showcase how this technology will considerably improve the quality of zoomed-in pictures. For starters, the S21 Ultra takes great pictures at native zoom levels that are 3x and 10x, but anything in between the quality diminishes because the sensor will rely on digital zoom and sensor cropping, which is effective if you want a usable photo, but not ideal at all. On top of that, you'll see color shifting, inconsistencies in white balance and more. But continuous zoom overcomes these situations. As you can see, Oppo has showcased how much of a big difference this hardware makes to the sharpness, colors and white balance when you are zooming in at non-native zoom levels. So this will turn out to be a huge upgrade if Samsung decides to equip this technology on the S22 Ultra. But will they? I guess we'll have to wait and see. Anyway, Galaxy Club also confirms that S22 and S22 Plus will feature 50 megapixel RGBW sensors. For context, the S21 features an RGB sensor. Interestingly, Oppo has also showcased this sensor at the same event. Oppo claims this new sensor improves the color accuracy and light sensitivity by up to 60%, taking low light photography to new heights. It also makes portraits more expressive in both photo and video with enhancements to skin, texture and contrast. So if we talk about the improvements compared to this year's Galaxy S phones, then the regular S22 models will see a massive jump in camera quality compared to the Ultra models. Now if we talk about the other aspect of the phone, then S22 series doesn't offer anything much. The punch hole camera will still be there. The design of the phone will pretty much remain identical with some minor tweaks. In any case, we'll hear more about it in the days to come, so do consider subscribing for that. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.